In today's episode, a cheap and sturdy trellis for your garden plants that you can easily build within minutes. You will need wire remesh, also called fence or cattle panel, 2 concrete rebars 6 foot long and 3/8 inch wide, 2 EMT conduit pipes 10 feet long and ½ inch thick, wire ties or cable ties which are 8 inches long. You need about 10 ties. All the products that you need are available at your local Home Depot. Here is the wire remesh sheet, and as you can see here, it is about 7 foot tall and about 3 feet wide. The concrete rebars will be in the building materials section of your home improvement store, and then you can see the conduit pipes usually found in the electrical section, and these are galvanized steel pipes, so they will withstand the elements very well. And the wire ties are usually in the hardware section or the tools section. You can easily find them. You need about 10 of these. And now let's move on to setting up the trellis. The first step is to position the fence and then set up the rebars in the right spot. What you want to do is take your rebar and then go as close as possible to the first end of the fence, and then just position your rebar. Now what you want to do is, after you position the second rebar, you want to push the rebar so that it goes in at least about 2 or 3 feet inside the ground. And our next step is to set up the EMT conduits. Now to set up the conduits, the ½ inch conduit will slide very easily onto your rebar that you just attached. Just take your conduit pipe and then slide it into the rebar. Just push the EMT conduits a little bit into the ground so that they're a little bit sturdy. Our next step is to tie the wire ties to secure the fence or the remesh sheet onto the conduit pipes. And all you do is just take a wire tie and then attach it between the fence and the EMT conduit pipe. And what this does is it secures the fence to the conduit pipe. And that's all you really need to do. You need about 5 wire ties on each side, and all you do is tighten the wire ties and it secures the fence to the conduit pipes. And as you can see here, I've alternated the position of where I place the tie so that it adds even more sturdiness to the trellis. And these conduit pipes are about 10 feet tall. The wire remesh is about 7 feet tall. And all you need to do now is cut off the ends of the wire ties, as you can see here, and do that on the other side as well. And here is our easy trellis. It took me less than 10 minutes to assemble this trellis. It was extremely easy. It uses parts that are easily available at your local Home Depot. So what kind of trellis do you use? Do let us know, and also let us know if you found this easy trellis helpful. If you found this video helpful, do click on the like button, and we'll see you again soon. Happy gardening!